Important information for the vehicular movement through Umiam Bridge will be closed for 8 hours on March 21st for the people of Meghalaya and the outsider. Hear what the MEPGCL has to say. The retrofitting of Umiam Dam and spillway bridges will be carried out for a period of 8 days from March 31st to April 8 this year, where there will be complete traffic blockage of the Umiam Bridge. According to the schedule fixed by the Meghalaya Power Generation Corporation Limited (MEPGCL), there will be complete traffic blockage of the Umiam Bridge for minimum of 6 hours on first day, that is March 31st this year from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Only ambulances will be allowed to ply through the bridge during work. As per schedule, after work at bridge is completed, half road will be opened, that is downstream of the bridge, but only for vehicle up to 4 tons weight during the 8 days from the 31st up to 7 a.m. of 8 April 2024. From the 8 days, that is from 7 a.m. onwards of 8 April 2024, vehicles up to 15 tons there will be allowed, that is downstream of the bridge. The Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hill and Riboy District will initiate proposed arrangement in coordination with the Police Department during the period. Both district administration will identify the location before and after the Umiam Dam where vehicle will be stopped during the first 6 hours from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. on the 31st March 2024.